Broke nigga in his feelings, watch me run it up. 10K for the feet, ho, you ain't got enough. I ain't worried about a nigga, we got choppers tucked. Dirty project, bitch, shit line you up. I don't owe a nigga shit but a bitch slap. Pillow talking to the bitch and got your bitch snatched. Ballin' on these niggas, guess I'm buffed up. Nigga got my old bitch, he think he lucked up. Broke nigga in his feelings, tell him tough luck. North just meant the block in a Dodge truck. I'm really on the road, that's on Dane Soul. Still dodging feds in them plain clothes. Road runner, play runners, I call all plays. I ain't turning down shit, I take all fades.
First of all, we have the Ripper. Okay, I have the Jacob sticker first with the throne wing. You drag him with a pad. There's no join it. The brakes are not even good. My little brother messed his bike up. It's not that good. And bike. Next bike is a SoCal Flyer SE. It's pretty cool, pretty clean. It has the red and blue spoke skins and the green spoke skins. It's pretty clean. It has small bars, but you can't do peg work on it. The seat is like just straight and mine is down. It has good brakes, small bars. It's pretty cool. On to the next bike. So right here I have the SoCal Flyer. It's pretty cool. It has blue tires. As you can see, I took off some stickers. The seats down. It helps me about like when I wheelie, like I don't fall back. I just stay balanced. And then I took off the stickers right there from the frame, kinda. And then yeah, the seats kinda ripped. Not my fault. I fell down on my bike. And we're to the next bike. Psych, you thought Gotti.
Gotti!
Next up we have the SoCal Flyer. 2019 SoCal Flyer. It's orange and brown, but I took off the stickers just so it can look cool, but I guess it's not that cool. And then I changed the tires because they had a flat. And then these are the tires that are the stock tires. I took the sticker from right here, so I have an Apple sticker. It's kind of scratched because like more swallowing. I still can't take that off because of the SE Majiki, like the pad. I couldn't take it off. And then we have the brakes. The brakes are really good. Like, I'm not gonna lie, they're really good. And we have I took the stickers from right here, and right here. Oh, and I put some new stickers on. I put this Jacob sticker with a throne, and then I put this one, just so it could look much more better. And as you can see, it's going down like this. So when I wheelie, like the green bike, it could help me not fall back and like keep me forward from falling backwards, like happened in my other video. It's gonna show up on the screen right now. That was a video. It hurts, kinda. I got the grippy McSticky. And I don't know why I still have this. I'm gonna take it off. Right there. Yeah, no, these are bikes from yesterday. I'll be ending the video right here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow, Sunday, boy.
First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche. I don't want it if that ass don't sit like a horse. I be ballin' on these niggas, got me feeling like sports. Dash got so much wood, I could build me a fort. Ain't too many things I ain't done yet. I'm the king.